Have you heard about pineapple vinegar? It has been known to aid in digestion and weight loss. In this video, we will discuss the benefits of pineapple vinegar and also teach you how to make your own at home. The recipe is packed with probiotics, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory properties. It's also free from preservatives and chemical additives. Many people are turning to fruit vinegar for health benefits, and pineapple vinegar is one of the most popular ones. Pineapple contains vitamins, minerals, and an enzyme called bromelain, which aids in digestion, reduces fluid retention, promotes toxin elimination, and helps with weight loss and pancreatic insufficiency. If you're interested in making pineapple vinegar at home, here's what you'll need. 1 organic pineapple, 1/4 cup of brown or demerara sugar, 3 cups of filtered or mineral water, a glass jar, a piece of thin and light fabric, such as muslin, and a rubber band. The recipe calls for using the pineapple peel, so it's essential to purchase an organic pineapple and sanitize it by soaking it in a baking soda or white vinegar solution. To make the vinegar, start by dissolving the sugar in water in the glass jar. Then, add the pineapple pieces, including the peel. Cover the jar with the fabric and rubber band and store it in a dark, dry place for fermentation to begin. The mixture will start to foam after a day or two, indicating the start of the alcoholic fermentation process. Stir the mixture daily and cover it again with a clean cloth. After a week, strain the vinegar through a sieve and then through a clean, odorless cloth. Transfer the liquid to a clean, sterilized glass jar and cover it with a clean cloth. Store it in a clean, dry, ventilated, and dark place. Watch it daily, and if it has a very sour smell, it's ready. Pour the contents into a clean and sterilized bottle and store it in the refrigerator. You can use it as a substitute for regular vinegar for salad dressings and other recipes. To strengthen the digestive system, dilute a teaspoon of vinegar in a glass of water and drink it 30 minutes before meals. If you enjoyed the recipe or have already tried it, let us know in the comments. And if you made it this far, comment, pineapple, for good health.